Ever wish you could take your powerful computer with you anywhere without actually carrying it? That's exactly what a high-performance remote desktop connection does. It's a technology that allows one device, like your laptop or even a tablet, to see and control another computer over a network or the internet. You aren't just looking at a video of the screen, you're actually sending commands and controlling it. When you move your mouse here, it moves there in real time. At Phaze, we believe this experience can be better. So much better that you'll completely forget you're on another computer. Whether you're an architect, mechanical engineer, or simply just want to work from home without having to worry about lag or accessibility, Phaze is the remote desktop solution for you. Phaze supports ultra-low latency connections. It prioritizes smooth graphics while rotating 3D objects. And it supports 4K video on up to 3 monitors in HDR at 240 frames per second. We're also working on a full suite of collaboration features coming later in 2026, all to ensure that you have the most fluid and seamless experience possible. And it's all inside our easy-to-use application. So go ahead and download Phaze today at phaze.app.